Good morning. Here's the Beeman Black Panther. The barrel is fairly easy because it's interchangeable. I've removed the automatic safety on my last disassembly. It's right here. There's one E-clip. There's one E-clip that goes here. That was holding that that actuator arm. Since I don't want it anymore, I'm going to leave it out this time. Yeah, that E-clip is on there, I think. Now it is. Okay. Because that pin holds, that pin with the clip holds more stuff on the other side, so put it back if you don't want your automatic safety. It'll actually fall off when you release the cocking arm. Oh yeah. Last time I undid it, I undid the detent first to undo the screw for the rest of the barrel. This time I'm going to try it with the detent closed. I think I might let my screw out straight because it was coming out crooked. And it's a bit crooked when you put it back in too. So I'm giving it like a good 10-12 turns for nothing here, but it's just to make sure. There's only a little bit of thread that you have to get out of. Only goes down to about there. And then it's got to come out. That was better. That was better than undoing the detent. And that's it. And that's when the safety pusher gets freed up. Don't forget to collect your shims from your block. This one is kind of suctioned in there. Okay. So it comes apart well right there for that. And better this way than the first time I did it. So 3 pins here. And the code is 1, 2, 3. Because change this one out first while these 2 are still holding, and then we'll put a safety in there, and then we can, this one is just for the plastic, and then we can remove the second strong one. The first one is the one that we're gonna keep. It's got burring on the left, so extract pushing towards the left, and they come out fairly easy. One safety pin that won't be coming out. Then we can take out the one for the cap. Left 2 right, need to go in, left, exit towards the left. I had it, I actually had it. Like I said, they're fairly easy, but there's 3 of them. So after this one, the spring will go to the safety. I don't know if I can clear that there. How am I gonna? Up from the inside. I need the hammer on this one. Let's do this in view for you guys. That's free. As far as I can push this one, I will just grab it out. Proper pliers. Make sure that this one is where it should be doing its job. There we go. Now this cap is free, but we have to get past the trigger group. This whole block is the trigger group. We got to get past that to release. You need some vice grips. You're gonna get a good firm grip on your trigger group. Plywood with a furniture screw through for nice flat support. And we're gonna get through this business with the screw to be able to push. So I switched for a slightly longer screw. I'm just not getting that final push that I need. And just in case, more grip. There you go. So do it with a very stable tool. Lean into it. Think about where your face is going to be, where your hands are going to be, how you're going to pull that thing out. Just overkill the comfort just as much as you can. There's the Beeman, Black Panther spring. It's actually nice. Piston, blue seal, and next I'm cutting this down. First we're gonna have some reflection and make a plan out of it. All right, see you next time.